It's the brother man and we BUF. I'm about to show y'all how I do my hairline. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you, my waves is on swim right now. Make sure you subscribe, you heard? I'm about to show y'all how I do my hairline with a eyebrow razor. I used to do this since I was 13. I don't even know. So it's quite simple. All you gotta do is trace the line, make it sharp. It's very simple. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I do it. That's it. So I'm gonna show y'all the routine. Been doing this since I was 13, you heard? They don't know. I used to wonder like, yo, how you keep your line so sharp? It was this right here. It was this right here. So I get hot water, put it on the line. Feel me? I gotta focus though, cause you don't wanna mess up your line. You see, I already got this little, I don't know what that is, little widow's peak, but it's alright. It's gonna come out sharp though, I'll tell you that. For a fact. With this eyebrow razor. So I always start with the top, you feel me? Line that up real quick. All you doing is taking the baby hairs off. That's all you gotta do. Stay on the line, take the baby hairs off, and you're gonna be coming out looking like a boss. You heard? So look, start with the middle and the top. Gotta get that line sharp. This shit really works. Y'all don't know. Look at that already. Ooh, I know y'all see that. This shit really works. So if you don't got no bread, or you don't feel like, you don't feel like, I said spill like, if you don't feel like spending no bread on the barber, you just do this shit on your own by yourself. Do this shit on your own. Tell them leave me alone, cause I do this shit on my motherfucking own. Tell them leave me alone, cause I do this shit. I'm really happy though. They don't know what I've been through. They don't know the how. Well, they don't know what I tell them. They don't know. They don't know about the brand. You know when you just, music just come in your head, you just start rapping, start singing that shit. Okay, now we on the corners. I know y'all see that line. It's gonna be sharp. I promise you, I won't mess up. I'm nice with it. So. I'm from the hood. I do my line with an eyebrow razor. Fuck you talking about, see you later. In the band. I'm from the hood. And if you feel me, put your razors up. Hood. My hood. I'm raising up. If you don't know how to do this, you trash. Nah, real talk. This shit is so easy. It's like tracing. All you doing is tracing the line. That's what you doing. If you're not an artist, don't do it. Don't do it. I don't want to condone people messing up their hairline and shit. So, if you don't know how to You don't know how to draw? Ooh, see, I almost messed up. I don't know why you seen that. But we still good. I know that shit's sharp too. Y'all see it already. It wasn't looking like that. It's way more sharp. It's way more sharp. Just do the job. And I got clippers. And I'd rather use this. Cause it's just so much better. So much better. And I'm trying to go to bed. I'm gonna do videos on my bed too. So I'm just trying to get my views up. Make sure you subscribe, because I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I'm trying to survive, you heard? Trying to survive the 95, push it to the limit. Pushing up, push. I ride, trying to survive the 95, push it to the limit. Pushing it, push. I'm pushing it, push. I'm pushing it, push it to the limit. Push, I'm pushing it. This is how you know I know how to entertain myself. Some people don't know how to entertain themselves. They be bored as a motherfucker. Me, I just push it to the limit. Push, I'm pushing it. Push it to the limit. I'm pushing it. Yo, I'm retarded. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, I'm gonna keep saying it. Make sure you subscribe. So, this is how it looks so far. I did this side, or the straight line right here. Let me get the light real quick so you can see. It's pretty sharp. I even cut myself. Let me do this side. I'm almost done. I'm telling you, this works. You gotta get the razor. Unfortunately, I'm not doing the back because I can't see the back of my head. I don't got no mirror. So it's quiet. And plus, I got mohawk. Or fake mohawk. I don't know what it's called. I gotta brush it though, so I can see it. I need a line on the back. The line on the back, I ain't touching it. But in the front, it's all good. Nah, hold up. Not touching my bed because I'm grown. I'm not touching my bed. So it's just going to be the line right here. That shit's sharp. I know y'all see it. With the eyebrow razor. Boom. Since now I'm done with my line and I'm looking really fine. You already know, so she was mine. Yeah, and I'm over here looking like this, and you over here looking like that. You gotta get your eyebrow razor so you can look like this. And you already know this is the shit. Like, I might as well do my eyebrows too. And I'm gonna do my mustache. Yeah, I do the mustache. That's how old people talk. I do the mustache. I fucked up. Make sure you put that water. Put that water on it. Mustache gonna come out sharp. Watch. I can't talk, I gotta stay focused. I'm telling you, the eyebrow razor does the job. It does the job. I'm putting y'all on. It does the job. Stop going to the barbershop for a hairline. You can do it at home. I remember I was cutting hair at one point. I was cutting hair for $5. I was doing only wave cuts. Cause I don't even know how to cut people's hair with waves. Man, I'm a hustler. That's why you gotta subscribe. Subscribe, my nigga. Yo, fucking subscribe to my shit or you get. Alright, look at this side compared to this side. But I'm not done. Hold on. See that? See the difference? Sharp. Alright, let me finish. Not touching the bed cause it gotta grow. I know you see the waves on swim, not on snow. And you already know. Cause you don't know. Oh, one thing about this though, you don't want to press down too hard because you might start bleeding. I don't know, I think I'm bleeding right here. But it go away. What else, blood? What? So I say I walk around like I got an S on my chest. Audio. And the vest on my chest. Saying 50, they love rock, right? Yeah. Nigga put the rap game in the chokehold, focus, man. My money on my mind. She feelin' my thighs, feelin' my toe. Both bit riding, ready to find me in the club. Fight a real bug. My flow, my show gon' be the dope. It cost me on my bed to pay my cost. And I ain't changed. Telling you, when them random songs pop up in your head, just motherfucking sing that shit and go hard. I'm almost done, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. Cause I ain't show you how to do this for no reason. You gotta make sure you subscribe, you heard me? Feel me? Make sure you subscribe, you heard? Yes, sir. That's how you do your line with an eyebrow razor. I'm not doing my eyebrows, I'm just doing my hairline, you heard? That's sharp. I know y'all see that, that's sharp. It's sharp. Shit sharp. Look at that. This shit do the job. Make sure you subscribe and I'm out.